So guys, in this video we are going to add a sidebar in our single post section. It can be the left side or it can be the right side. It is nothing, it's just a widgetized area. So let's see how we can add a sidebar in our single post. Okay, for that we need to go to single.php. As you can see, we are in the single post section, so we need to go to the single.php. Okay, you're in single.php. Okay, inside that we are going to take a container. Inside the container we're going to take a row. Okay, inside that we're going to take a column, call md8. Okay, we are going to take another column which will be the column d4. Okay, so inside this column d8 we are going to cut this div, our div. Okay, then paste it. Okay, so we are going to make it column d12. Column d12, same goes for this one as well, column d12. Okay, so we are going to delete this text center, otherwise it will look ugly. Okay, h2. Okay, text center is deleted. Okay, now reload this. As you can see, and it is appeared on column there is nothing showing on column in the right side because there is nothing, or there is nothing on this column, or we will add a sidebar in this. Okay, for adding a sidebar you need to go to the functions.php file. So inside this functions.php you need to write a action hook, add action. The hook action's name is widgets init. Widgets init. Okay, our function name is, we will make our functions name at prefixable with our domain names. Our domain name is alpha sidebar. Okay, we make our function name is alpha sidebar. Okay, now I'm going to write the function here, function alpha sidebar. Okay, this is our function. So inside inside the function we need to register the sidebar. So the function's name is register sidebar. Okay, register sidebar. We're gonna take an array here, array. Okay, close this. Okay, inside this array. Okay, first option is name. So whatever the sidebar name we wanna take, so we're gonna make it translatable. So that's why. So the sidebar name is single post sidebar. Okay, so if we make it translatable, we need to give the text domain name here. Okay, this is our text domain. Okay, so then next parameter is id, which is very important. Id name is sidebar1. Okay, then the next parameter is description. Okay, the description is, we will make this translatable as well. So the description is right sidebar. Okay, right sidebar. Okay, then the text domain alpha. Okay, then the next parameter is before widgets. Before widget. Okay, we are gonna take a section here, section tag. Okay, then you're going to take an id here. Okay, the ID is person $1 s. So if you don't understand, this is called PHP as printf function, so you can take whatever you want. Okay, class. Okay, class is widget percentage $2. Okay, this is our section. Okay, so this parameter is done. Okay, the next parameter is after widget. Okay, so after widget the section tag will be closed here. Okay, section tag will be closed here. Okay, then the next parameter is before title. Which is, we will make it into h2 tag. Sorry, h2. Okay, inside the h2 method class, the class name is widget title. Widget title. Okay, the next parameter is after title. Okay, then after title you need to close the h2 tag. Okay, this is it. I have to understand this. First of all, make the we took an action hook file which is called widgets in it. Then our function name, this is our function. So inside the function we make this function called register sidebar. Inside the register sidebar we create an array. Inside the array firstly name, then id, which is most important thing, then description, then before widgets, after widget, before title, after title. So as you can see, as you don't understand it, this is the PHP functionality which is printf, and if you don't understand this you can ignore this as well. Okay, so our widgets is registered. Now we are gonna show it this in single.php or column to 4 sections. So inside this you need to take, firstly you need to take a php tag. Okay, sorry, php tag. Okay, we're gonna take a function if is active sidebar. This is active sidebar, which means that if any active sidebar is enabled, so the name of the sidebar is, which is our id. So you need to copy this. Okay, copy this. Okay, if there is any sidebar available, active sidebar available, you need to show it. So dynamic sidebar, if is active sidebar. Okay, dynamic sidebar. Okay, close it. Okay, there is no bracket. Okay, we made a mistake here. We took the bracket less. Okay, now it's perfect. So firstly we took a php tag, inside that which is active sidebar, and sidebar id, which is this one. Okay, then the dynamic sidebar also. Now go to the website. Okay, this is our website. So we're going to go to the dashboard and then go to the appearance section. As you can see, there is a widgets area is added on the appearance section. So click on widgets. Okay. Okay, as you can see, there is a single post sidebar widgets is added, which will loading from here. Okay, this one, as you can see, this is loading from the here. Okay, now we're going to add some widgets. So firstly, we're going to add a search option. Okay, where is the search option? Search. Okay, there it is. Okay, we added a search here. Placeholder is search. Let's see, search. Okay, then we're going to add a calendar. Calendar. Okay, we added a calendar here. Sorry, calendar. Okay, a calendar has been added. Okay, then what can we add? Then we added a search option here, and we added a calendar. Okay, then update this one. Now reload this. So our widgets is not showing, so there must be a problem here. Okay, let's see what is the problem. Okay, we got our problem. So we made the mistake here. We used underscore. We need to use hyphen. So okay, so when you write code, you have to be careful. So this is a learning part for every developer. So when you write code, you have to be careful, and you have to find the problem. So it takes me to at least 10 minutes to find this problem. So now, okay, reload this. As you can see, before this we got our widget, but it is not in the right side. It is in the inside the post section. So now reload this. As you can see, now our widgetized one, that means our sidebar is showing perfectly. So I hope you understand this. That's how you can add a widgetized area in your single post view, wherever you want to add a widgetized. So guys, this is how you can add a widgetized area in a WordPress website. So first of all, you need to write a widget, an action hook which is called widgets inits, and then the function. Inside the function you have to register. So you can register so many, copy this and paste inside these sidebars, and you can use the sidebar as many times as you can in anywhere. And then if you want to register another sidebar, you can copy this, then change the id name, change the name, description, so whatever it change you want to make, they can do it. So this is how you add a widgetized area in a WordPress website. Then this is the process of activation. So then easy active sidebar, then id, then dynamic sidebar, then id. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Thank you. See you in the next video.